Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another weekly update on the Wilsonville, Oregon real estate market. This update will cover the last 8 weeks of market activity, ending this past Sunday, November 27th. So I'm going to share my screen with you here and go through the info with you. So first off, looking at active listing activity. So in Wilsonville last week, we only had 2 new listings come on the market. Not totally surprising given it was a holiday week with Thanksgiving. And we ended the week with 52 homes on the market in Wilsonville, down just a couple from the prior week. You can see it's been holding pretty steady over this past, really for over the whole time here. So we had a low of 50, a high of 58. Median list price and days on market for those active listings. Again, that's been holding pretty steady as well in terms of the price. Had a high of 710 here 8 weeks back. Got down to 680 a couple times. This last week came in at 687,000, same as the prior week. And then days on market, you can kind of see we started at slight high of 49 days. It drifted down to about 39 days, about a month, 3 to 4 weeks back, and has come back a little bit since then. This last week came in at 48 days of average market time for these most current 52 listings right now on the market. So just about close to about a month and a half of average market time right now for the active listings. So moving along to pending sales. Last week in Wilsonville, we had 5 properties go sale pending, and that's kind of right within the range of kind of where it's been. It's been pretty tight range between 4 and 8 new pendings a week, and then ended the week again at 37 homes in pending status, which is unchanged from the prior week and represents a high for the 8 weeks here. Median price and days on market for those pendings, you can kind of see where that has tracked. Had a high of 728,000, about 7 weeks back. Got down to 662 3 weeks ago, and the last 2 weeks now has been at 689,000 for the median price of the pendings. And then days on market has definitely increased over the past 8 weeks. We had a low of 9 about 6 weeks back, and got up to 30 2 weeks ago. This last week fell back a bit down to 26 days. So of these 37 current active pendings, it's 26 days is the median days on market. And then lastly here, we'll look at the sold listings. So as of the time I put this together, we had 3 homes last week that went from pending to sold. And when I look over the prior 4 weeks of activity on a rolling kind of weekly basis here, I show this we came in at 17. So 17 sales here over the prior 4 weeks. And you can kind of see where that's tracked. It's come way down from where we were to begin with. We're at 36 closings to start off the period here. Got clear down to 16, and it's gone up a couple from there, but definitely quite a drop off from a couple months back. The median sold price and days on market for those sold listings, you can kind of see where that has been. Had a low of about 575 here, got up to 735, and dropped back last couple of weeks. This last week came in at 640,000 as the median sold price. And then days on market, that is it's been kind of strange to observe, but we've of these 17 most recent sales, the average market time for those has just been 6 days. So things have been by this measure been turning over pretty quickly. But when you look up above again at the pendings, I would certainly kind of expect to see that days on market start to head back up here as some of those pendings roll through to closings. And then lastly, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and the sale price as a percent of the original list price. So weeks of inventory is the red bars, definitely has come up quite a bit from where we started. We were just a little bit under 6 weeks of inventory. We were just looking 8 weeks back, got clear up to about 13 weeks. 3 weeks ago, it fell back here a bit, but this last week kind of came in at 12, just over 12 weeks of inventory. right now, based upon the number of active listings and the current sales rate right now. And then sale price, a percent of the original list price. You can see that's really starting to kind of drop off here from kind of the highs of, again, right around full asking price here about 3 to 4 weeks back. And it's fallen back the past 2 weeks now, coming in at just about 6% under the asking price. So, definitely a sign that, the most recent closings, there have been, price reductions on those, and buyers, kind of coming in under list price to secure those homes. So that's kind of where we're at. Hope that update has been helpful for you. As always, if I can ever answer any questions or be of any help, please don't hesitate to reach out. My number is 503-680-2065. If you already haven't done so, please hit the subscribe button on my channel. It's a great way for you to stay up to date on what's happening in your local real estate market. Hope you have a fantastic day and week ahead, and we will see you on the next video.